All right, so let's look at number 7. Which points are solutions to the systems of the inequalities below? Check all that apply. All right, so basically all we have to do is plug these points in and see if it works in both of these inequalities. Remember, a solution to the system of inequalities means that it works in both inequalities, right? Just like these ones we saw here, these points work in both inequalities, not just one. So let's plug the point 1, 1 into both of these and see if it works. Okay, so I'm going to write up here 1, 1 is the one I'm testing right now. And so we'll say 1 minus 6 times 1 is greater than negative 48. That's 1 minus 6 is greater than negative 48. That's negative 5 is greater than negative 48. Awesome. So that one works for that point, or for this inequality. Okay, so that's good. Now let's see if it works also in this inequality. 2 times 1 plus 3 times 1 is less than 9. So that's 2 plus 3 is less than 9, so 5 is less than 9, and that is true as well. So 1, 1 worked in this inequality and in this inequality, so that works. Let's check 9, negative 2. So 9 minus 6 times negative 2 is greater than negative 48. So that's 9 plus 12 is greater than negative 48, and that is 21. Okay, so that checks out for that one. And then let's see, 2 times 9 plus 3 times negative 2 is less than 9. 18 minus 6, 12 is less than 9. Oop, that one does not work. So although this point works for this inequality, it doesn't work for this inequality, which means that this isn't a solution to the system. It doesn't work for both, so it's not a solution. All right, let's check 3, 4. 3 minus 6 times 4 is greater than negative 48. So that's 3 minus 24 is greater than negative 48. That's going to be negative 21 is greater than negative 48. Okay, so that one checks out. And then we have 2 times 3 plus 3 times 4 is greater than negative 48. So that is 6 plus 12. Oop, that's, sorry, not greater than negative 48. That should be is less than 9. All right. And we get 18 is less than 9, which is not true, so it does not check out. Again, this is a solution to this equation, or this inequality, but not this one. So this point is not a solution to either one, or to the whole system. It's not a solution to this system, because it doesn't work for both. All right, negative 2, 6. Negative 2 minus 6 times 6 is greater than negative 48. So we have negative 2 minus 36 is greater than negative 48. That's negative 38. Okay, so that negative 38 is greater than negative 48, so that checks out. And then we're going to go over here and plug it into the other one. So 2 times negative 2 plus 3 times 6. That is negative 4 plus 18. And so that is 14 is less than 9, which is not true. So negative 2, 6 is also not a solution to this one. Let's take a look at a few more. So negative 8, negative 3. So we have negative 8 minus 6 times negative 3 is greater than negative 48. So we have, that becomes negative 8 plus 18 is greater than negative 48. So that is 10 is greater than negative 48. So that one checks out. And then we're going to plug it into the other equation, or the other inequality, excuse me. And that would be 2 times negative 8 plus 3 times negative 3 is less than 9. So that's negative 16 minus 9 is less than 9. That goes negative 25 is less than 9, so it checks out. So negative 8, negative 3 works in both of our inequalities, so that is a solution to our system. And finally, we have 4, negative 7. So we have 4 minus 6 times negative 7 is greater than negative 48. 4 minus or plus 42 is greater than negative 48. So 46 is definitely greater than 48, so that one checks out. And then we're going to take 2 times 4 plus 3 times negative 7 and see if that's less than 9. So that's 8 minus 21 is less than 9. Well, that definitely is, because that would be, let's see, 21 minus 8 is 13. Yeah, 13. Negative 13 is less than 9. There we go. And that checks out as well. So these are all solutions to our system. Again, to be a solution to the system of equations, or to system of inequalities, it has to make both of our inequalities true. Some of these points made one true but not the other, and so we need points that make both of them true.